Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys, we should be live and ready to go. Good morning, everyone here. Welcome back. It's Monday. It's March 15th, 9 a.m. SPY is slightly down. Overall, I'm down a little bit as well. Or no, actually, I'm up. 590 here. I was up quite a bit pre-market, and then all in this area I gave quite a lot back. I think on CHEK I was up almost $1,000 or $2,000, just about. And then right in this area, I kept on thinking that we were going to kind of start continuing back to the upside. So I had a really strong bias, and that was really dangerous. You never really want to be overly biased. You always want to have a game plan, but you have to be willing to change it. And in this little downtrend, I wasn't so much. I managed my risk. I kept on closing my trade, but then I kept on buying back. So, I would close at, I don't know, let's say 45, and then buy back at 43. Then I would close again, take another loss, and then, I was a little bit too biased here, thinking that we were going to find some sort of, higher low, and then, move back to the upside, which technically, actually did end up happening, but my timing was pretty off on CHEK. So that was kind of unfortunate. But, we're still in the green, so I can't really complain too much. We got a lot of tickers, though, moving so far right now. We're also looking at ACER a little bit. ACER was looking kind of interesting. It had one quick pop to the upside at the 7 a.m. pre-market session, and then unfortunately sold off. There was a lot of sell volume here, and this is actually why I didn't trade the second pullback here. I actually ended up trading a breakout here to the upside. This was a pretty good trade. It just was smaller size, and then here I didn't end up trading it because of all the sell momentum, and this one's been pretty much selling off ever since. So yeah, we'll see what we do. NETEC also kind of popping up here, but I didn't really like the way this one was behaving. I didn't like this big sell-off here. That's why I didn't really give this one too much acknowledgement. But right around 8 is really big support, so maybe that's going to be an area of interest. For now, let's actually keep an eye on CHEK. Remember, my watch list is going to be in that first pinned comment below the video. Right now, it's not up. Oops. Because I can only post a comment after the stream. But if you're watching this on playback. CHEK, Israel Diagnostics and Research Company, they got an FDA approval for their pivot study of a C scan. Significant milestone. The problem right now is it does have a lot of sellers in it, so I'm a little bit on edge trading this one. We do have upside here, bigger resistance around 4, and then we have also this $5 area, which is kind of interesting, worth keep watching. But I really think if we break 4, we might see 6 fairly quickly. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm going to do any more pre-market trading. I'm just kind of watching it here, but I don't know, still a little bit light. 5-minute actually looks really good. The volume on the 5-minute looks really strong. Ugh, I'm actually gonna go quickly make a tea. I'll be right back. Not really anything too hot at the moment. Kendrick, I see your question. Check out the Discord here. I'll definitely have to add that. Oh, I think my camera's frozen. I will definitely have to add that to the FAQs below. But if you go to the Connect and then go to Discord and then check out the TD Ameritrade app, we have the all the information there you need. It's still frozen here for some reason. I don't know if you guys see that. Let's see if we can get it back going here. There we go. I don't know why that was not working. All right. Yeah, that's Discord, brokers, and exchanges. And then TD Ameritrade. Okay, CHEK actually rocking here. Slow and steady, but looking good. Let's see if we can maybe do some trading on this one. I'm a little bit cautious though. Just, it had a really slow continuation, but now it looks like volume's kind of coming back in on this one. Nice, Michael. Want to see 4 or 5. DMBR getting called out. It's really lacking volume though, this ticker. It's not too interesting of a pre-market. I'd rather be trading, you know, the lead. For some reason, my camera keeps disconnecting. I really don't know why. It's back. We haven't had like spikers recently that were starting to spike, you know, between like 9:15 or 9:20 to 3. I feel like that often anymore. I feel like we used to get a lot of hot ones right in that area. This could be the break of 4. If this breaks 4, it's going to definitely be in play here, I think, for the next 5 minutes at least. Oh, yeah. Big volume coming through here, hitting 4. Look at those sellers at 4, though. Boom! Big breakout. Let's see how this holds. ACER, maybe found a low around 540s, who knows. I'm looking for that break over 404, 405. Let's see if this pulls back at all. It may be a good short entry. Or quick entry, not a short one. Nice move there. This could be a third coming up here, third green. Trying to go long here, small size. Looking for that follow through. Nice long there, 2000 full size. Looking for that third green candle. Let's see if we can get that pop. Over 16 is the goal. Just didn't get that follow through. Out of that one. You know what? I'm having actually a really hard time hearing what my computer is doing. Hold on. That was weird. Didn't hear anything just now. I thought I was still in the trade, but I wasn't. Very weird. I don't know. That was a bit of a fumble there. Wanted to sell over 16. We didn't get that pop right away, and then I just kind of, you know, scratched out. Nice. Okay, so we did end up getting it. Just a little scratchy on my end. That's fine. MPTN. I don't know. I wasn't really looking at that one. Yeah, no thoughts there. Ticker actually has some really good energy right now. This might be a really nice open here on CHEK, so definitely want to prepare for that. Next zone is 5. I'm looking for CHEK. Next major zone for resistance. Let's see how this area holds here at 414. Possible dip below the 9 EMA, but I don't know how long that will hold. Big buyers there at 410. Let's see. They got chipped a little bit, but let's see how fast buyers come back. Trying to take a position size long here, looking for that move back to 422. Yeah, it's definitely slow. Very, very slow. Taking profits right there. Slow move. I don't really like trading at this time of day, so I'm not really looking for too much. Just trying to, you know, get overall feel for this one again after not trading it for a while here. Took a, you know, if you guys are just tuning in right now, I was up around 2K on CHEK, and then it gave back most of my profits here on this one. So right now I'm just, you know, trying to get my feet wet again a little bit. Right now we're up 452 on this ticker, so nothing really too crazy, but you know, it's okay. Right now it's CHEK is definitely the lead gapper here. I like the possible upside, big upside potential. 4 has came in as big time support. 5 is next bigger resistance. And then we got upside till 6. So this one's looking pretty hot. Really checks all the boxes here. Float under 50 million. The float on CHEK is around 40 million floats. That's good. Has a news catalyst. Strong spike history. Yeah, we've seen this ticker spike several times in the past. Good room to run, fast rate of change, ideally between $2 and $7. Right now it's at 420, so everything's looking really good. Holding its highs pre-market, didn't pull back more than 25% from pre-market highs. Over 40% up on the day. So yeah, looking pretty good. I usually am not trading right now, so. In terms of news, let's go to the morning brew here. It's kind of, I think a lot of the news I've seen so far today was talking about crypto. Crypto had a rally this weekend. On Saturday, it was at 61,000. That's insane. I've been seeing that across several news outlets lately, or today. Looks like the Grammys were last night. I had no idea. On Friday, TSA screened the most passengers, almost 1.4 since March 15th last year. We're seeing too much spring activity. Oh. All right. I'm going to run to the restroom quickly, start getting ready, and then I'll be back in like a minute or so. Get a drink. Well, actually, I got my tea now, so everything's looking good. Just going to leave you guys here pre-market for a little bit. I don't want to do any mistakes. I'm just going to walk away for a bit. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Nice little pop-a-rooney there on CHEK. Dang, I was hoping it was not going to go too much here before the market opened. Yeah, the next target zone I was watching for CHEK was 5, so we still got some room to run. Another 3.5 minutes here before the market opens. For our IRA account, we're actually officially back in the green, so that's really exciting. It's been a while. Although CHEK is kind of overtraded here pre-market, I would not be surprised if it still continued to rip. I mean, it's over 180% now up on the day. We still have good upside potential, so getting aggressive on this one early on might not be the worst. Oh, God. Maybe I still have not really fully woken up this Monday. How are you guys all doing with the daylight savings time? Everyone feeling good? US is losing an hour of sleep at the moment. No surprise here of this little dip. I'm always weary about right before the market opens. This is exactly why I don't trade leading up to it. It gets a little bit unpredictable. You got the opening cross as well, so it's just... All right, guys, good luck, everyone. Another 30 seconds here before the market opens. All right, here we go. Nice finding. Big support there on the 5-minute 9 EMA. Possible red to green. Actually, it's already in red to green. Big volume. Possible break here. Yep. Ebon was a really good runner on Friday. Seeing if I can get an entry here at 420. I missed it. Sellers are coming in though. Good thing I probably missed it. Yeah, bit of a failed move there. Just watching it. It's still 9:31. I usually don't get aggressive till at least 3 minutes after the market opens. On TOS at least. Volatile open, but it's holding. CHEK, $400 million volume right now, so it's definitely the lead gapper. ACER could be forming a red to green setup though. Bitcoin kind of back to break even here. It was a little bit red on the day earlier. Overall, the markets are kind of break even. This is usually some of the better day trading conditions, but so far on the Monday, we're seeing just, not like the best setups. ACER had that red to green. It was a bit of a fake out. SGLB getting halted here. SGLB actually looks pretty strong. It never pulled back more than like 25% from pre-market highs, so that's pretty good. Lockheed Martin partnership. Let's definitely keep an eye on this one. It's the third lead gapper right now, followed by NTEC. Gonna open up at 39. CHEK only dipped here about 7% from the open, so it's really not that bad of a sell-off here. 5 minute does have a lot of sell volume though. I'm just waiting for a little bit better of a setup. There's a failed red to green on ACER. Okay, SHEK. Looks like it held this area, never really sold off more than around 6-7% from the open, so that's a really good sign. How to get out some of its volatility. 9:37, so we got plenty of time here. Definitely have some support around 4. I'm not sure if we're going to see a pullback to 4, if we're going to rip past 4.5, but I would wait for a little bit more of a support zone. You guys know me. Let's see if we can go long here for 8. No, found support. We had another size coming up. Gonna load up here. Didn't get my fill. I'm gonna try one more attempt. I'm gonna close this one just because I didn't get my fill. Let's just keep watching it. And that's what I was looking for. Possible break here to 4.5. This looks like a pretty good bull flag. Gonna try to go long here with starter size. Oh, selling off. I'm gonna try to go long again. Starter size long at 14. Wouldn't mind going long again. Let's just, oh, that was a big sell-off just now. More than I was expecting for sure. 39. I don't want to see this area break or else I'm stopping out. Stopped out, a little bit painful, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Escape back some profits there on that one. It's not been a good day for me. I don't feel 100% right now. I don't know if you guys noticed. I just felt a little bit weird lately today. But that actually kind of woke me up a little bit, that loss. I don't know, for better or worse. I was up 2K today, and I'm only up 200, so it's, you know, it's not really vibing here so well. It's just really unfortunate. For everyone that's new here, it's not always like this. Just not really on my A game. 941 and SGLB opened up again, and at 39 they had a nice rip here higher, so it's looking pretty hot. Let's see if we can get a little bit more follow through on SGLB. This one might be the one to be watching. I don't know. It's hard to say. I like the upside potential on this one. I like the big contract, has a nice catalyst. I would argue we could rip past 650 and then maybe see sevens pretty fast, but I'm not a big fan of this bull flag. I want to kind of get a little bit better risk reward. Just watching it here. Possible fill here at 02. Took small size here just because I want to manage my risk, see if I can manage it. It did have some issues. Break of 80, 85 would have me on edge. I would stop out at 85 here, so let's be careful. Small size on this one, very small size. Looking for that rip over 6.5. I'm going to close it out there. After taking a loss, I like to sometimes take a base hit. I was looking for the move over 6.5, but I already just said I don't like the bull flag setup, so I don't really regret it. Let's go back to CHEK, see what we're seeing here on this one. Yeah, so I ended up stopping out at kind of the worst spot, not the worst spot, but I stopped out at 91. I pretty much said, you know, if it was going to go lower, I'm just going to stop out of this one, and it ended up going to like 82 or so. So, you know, in a way, it was a good thing I stopped out. I could have maybe walked away with a little bit better of an exit, but, you know, Friday I got stuck in so many flushes, or actually just one really big one. So I'm a little bit weary on that today. I did really good pre-market trading, but you know, ever since around 8, I just kind of feel like I'm giving everything back. So it's a bit of a weird situation I'm in right now. There's a nice rip on SGLB. I like to see this follow through. To be honest, I wasn't really super optimistic. I thought we might get a fake out or something like that. So I like to see the follow through for sure, even if I'm not in it, because if you see a follow through, you know, it's just good to see that, you know, we're still in a hot market, things are happening, and so on. If I keep feeling a little bit weird, I think I'll just end the stream early. But other than that, I think we'll just keep trading here as long as there's opportunity. Nice SGLB, big move there, 13-14%. Might get halted here again. Possible small size entry right below 5.65. CHEK really dipping hard. We have big support on this ticker though, right around 364, right where we are right now. I'm not sure how much lower we're going to go. I'm going to keep a close eye on this one. Would maybe consider buying a sell-off on it. You know, last time we had a big spike up on this one, we pretty much just sold off the rest of the day. So that is really something to keep in mind. Kind of see what happened. We opened up high. And then we just had a big spike down. So maybe CHEK, we're going to get something similar. So that could have wrapped it up there for CHEK, which is really unfortunate because we were up a lot on this one. So we were up 2K roughly pre-market. Now I'm up $9 on CHEK. So it's just not a ticker that really started behaving good. Right around, I don't know, it was kind of done around 7.5. Actually, it was pretty much done here at 7:30. Nice move there on SGLB. Possible break here at 52 on SGLB. CHEK really selling off. $63. It's holding though. It's holding really well. Another bull flag here. Possible breakout at 7. Missed it. I probably would have ended up taking profits early, but I still missed it. Nice move there at 720. Let's keep watching this one. Clearly there's a lot of energy here. New minutes starting soon. Let's see if we can get a fill here at 7. Let's see, looking for that fill and then continuation. 43. New minutes starting. Long, decent size, looking for that continuation over 733. All right, closed out that one again. Kind of sloppy moves on my end, a little bit unfortunate. Let's see how this one behaves here. I'm watching CHEK on my second screen, actually. I might end up going in on this one if it breaks 3.5 with light volume. So I'm watching. Yeah, SGLB is kind of tricky here. Watching CHEK as well on the side here. Oh, I thought we were going to get a fill just now. Oh. Looking for that entry right here, 93 maybe. It's struggling, so I might even move it down. We might even get a better fill here. Struggling. Removing on CHEK as well. No limit orders at the moment. Missed my entry, it's fine. Sloppy Sally has taken center stage today for sure. No limit order anymore. I'll open. I was waiting for CHEK to break 3.5, but I wanted to do it all in the same move. Now, I don't really want to be part of it at the moment anymore. It's just, you know, it would be this same entry but a different setup at this point, so I don't want that. These are 3 perfect SGLB pullbacks, if you ask me. Just about perfect. Let's see if this last one holds 10 more seconds. I think a lot of people are wondering if SGLB is going to hold to the downside. With that 6 million float, I mean, it's pretty nice. Good volume. The pullbacks on this one are so perfect that I almost don't even trust them. Nice, nice, nice. 6-7% move there. That was the first time we didn't see it break, though, the former high. Oh, there we go. Nice. 49. Possible entry here at 28. Looking for, again, continuation. I'm not sure why we didn't get a full size there. Oh, yeah, but we got it. No, okay, selling off, selling off. And let's see that one pop last here. No. No. Giving back some profits, unfortunately. And try and get out. Ah, man. It's not my day. Possible close here at 97. Don't want to stick in this ticker too long. It's selling off, right? You got to manage your risk, and I'm having a hard time managing it right now. Let's see if we can go back up. Still a lot of sellers on this one. If we go back below 80, I'm out. No, I've just closed at 80. There we go. So I'm probably in the red now. No. Wow, for giving back, you know, $400 or $500, not being back in the red, it's not too bad. All right, I think today might be officially my sloppiest trading day of the year. It's a bit annoying, but yeah. So this one, the reason I kind of forced that exit is because we had a flush here, and because we had the flush, I was no longer looking for a just a quick, you know, continuation, right? I had a feeling, okay, well, you know, there might be a retest here, but at that point, you know, I'm going to want to get out. Actually, we had a pretty good exit, because after the retest, you know, it could easily flush again, so I don't want to really be part of that. Apologize for being so sloppy, guys, today. I just wasn't really feeling 100%. You know, probably should have just stopped. I don't even know if I should have streamed today. But it is what it is. AMC popping up here. I feel better now. It's quite weird. I feel better after taking losses. The heck? That's life. Well, I don't really want to force things, and I don't know. We'll see here. You know, it sucks always to, you know, end the day after giving back profits, but I might just do that. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it here. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm not feeling 100%, you know, constantly giving back profits. I was up 2K today, and I'm only up 200, so I'm just going to wrap it up there. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. You know, hopefully tomorrow, you know, everything's going to be fine. But, yeah, I just want to kind of wrap it up here while I'm still ahead. So I'll see you guys then first thing tomorrow morning. You know, I don't think we've ever stopped the stream before 10, so this is kind of unusual, but all right, guys, I'm out of here. So yeah, a little recap here. We're up 200, and swing trade portfolio, we're up for the first time now in a while, so that's really good to see that. All right, guys. Take care, and like always, stay safe, make some awesome trades, and drop a like on the way out. Just for the dedication we all have here. Take care.